Hey everyone, happy Sunday. We're back with another video, and in this video I'm showing you how to make quick and easy DIY vapor rub shower steamers for those days when you're a little stuffy and feeling congested. Also, at the end of this video I'll show a short, quick and simple shower routine using the shower steamers, so if you're interested in seeing that, just keep on watching. So what you'll need is vapor rub, cornstarch, food coloring is optional, and a silicone ice tray. So first we'll start off with our vapor rub. I just got mine off of Amazon, but you can definitely just use the Vicks vapor rub. Then I add in 3 tablespoons, which was about the whole container, to a mixing bowl. Next, I add in 1 cup of cornstarch to my mixture, and I mix that in with the vapor rub. Now I just add in water, and I don't use a specific amount. I just add until I get a kind of like a dough-like consistency. Now I'm adding in blue and green food coloring to my mixture and mixing that in really good. Or you can use soap dye if you're worried about staining, and the food coloring is optional. So now my mixture is all ready to be put in my ice tray mold, and I'm using this cute little heart mold. And yeah, I just evenly distribute that into my mold tray. So now I'm just going to pop this in the freezer and let it harden overnight. And then I'm going to take it out the next day and it's all ready to be used. And by the way, as I was making this, I can just feel my nose opening up. And this would definitely help if you are just very congested or if you have terrible sinuses like I do. So here's the finished product. I think it turned out pretty good and it's all ready to be used in the shower. So let's just jump right into it. So I'm just going to spray this calming eucalyptus and spearmint spray just to help relax me. And also this helps with my congestion even more. But yeah, I'm just going to throw in my shower steamer and let that aroma fill my shower. By the way, I didn't have any staining from the food coloring, but be sure to put the shower steamer next to the drain. And this shower routine is pretty simple. I just use lightly scented products because I really just wanted to breathe in that vapor rub aroma to clear up my airways. So I kept everything pretty simple. And same for my moisturizer, I just wanted my skin to feel smooth and hydrated. And I'm going to apply the same vapor rub to my chest, feet, and my neck. And that's pretty much all I do for this shower routine. But I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do give this a try, I hope it helps as it helped me. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.